The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupun riulak. Just wow.
Umentri rangba kejela Meghalaya konrad ke sangma mentah kesengi kat artrik unailar arja arpenrio ulasami ke cek bamar sanpau Hajar hapok ke skim CM Aspire cek Ngut ke samlai ke belala ban pas ke UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination. Kini ke long shibenta jangka Ascend 2026 ke seminar ke bertemu bantawi ke jing penyeswa bat jing ai jing arab ke samlai ke penkrea ke exam UPSC bat kiwe ke exam hagari bat haga jelal ya ke bala penlong haga campus jangka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute Maudiang Shillong. Haga ni ke sengi ledan ringkat ru Director General Kemati uba Cyril Dingdo bat Director Kemati Uswapnil Tembe na lor kiwe pat. Habakren haga jing lang menteri rangba ula ai ke jing ro ya kamati halor ke jing penlong ya kini ke seminar ba ula ong bade ke sienjam ke badan jing mut bat kum ke jing ai min sim pin urlong ya ke jing ang nuot jang ke samla Meghalaya man poi shiki kerdan bakham shalor ling ba ke exam prepare ula ong ba ke jela kam dunai ki priyo ke badan sap henry ke e ke baduna ke long ke jing dan ya ke rukom tre kam ke babiang man pinya jani kini ki sap bat ai ke jing hikai jing kershan bat jing elam lenti. Haga juga sengi umentri rangba ula plepat ba ru ya ke Digital Learning Lab jangka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute.
Please remember, and again I'm speaking like an old man to you, but I'm speaking with a bit of experience I've had in my life, that things move on. Things move on. You give it your shot, you give it your best. Sometimes it's meant for you, sometimes it's not. And ask this question in your heart. Is that why do I want to be an IAS officer? Have you ever asked that question to yourself? Or is it just because some friend told you that let's go and give the crack the exam, let's anything, and you're just driven by that? Well, if that is an issue, then I think you need to do a bit more soul searching. And I'll tell you why. Because hopefully you will clear that exam. And then you will be starting your life and your career not knowing what you want to do. And that's when you will get astray. I came into politics because I told myself that I want to serve the people. I told myself that I want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. I told myself that even one person, if I can help, it'll give me a sense of satisfaction. That purpose that I decided very, very long ago drives me till today. And no matter what position I am in, whether I'm an MLA, whether I'm an MP, whether I lose the election and I'm just a lost candidate, or I'm Chief Minister, that is that one purpose that drives me. You need to search within your soul and ask yourself what it is. Why am I giving this exam? Please ask yourself.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.